today? What day is today?
September 3rd, Monday, Labor Day.
Yeah. Hey.
Year.
2012.
Yep.
Okay, bud. How many seconds are in 20 minutes?
1200.
How many are in 19 minutes?
1140.
What about 18 minutes?
1080.
What about 17 minutes?
1020. Let's see how many seconds 11 minutes. 660.
Mitch, how many seconds are in 22 minutes?
1320. 1320.
Alright. Thanks, Mitch.
Mitch, how old are you?